So undignified. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO by Michael Lyons. A podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am Natasha. Over here, we've got the star of the show, NANABOOZHOO. Ikadon BOOZHOO in emotion. Say hello, sweetheart.
BOOZHOO! How you doing, people?
And over here, playing guitar tonight, is Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Michael.
Hello, everybody.
And I am Natasha. And so today, what we're actually doing is just sort of practicing for the big New Year's Eve show in 2 days. Can you believe it? It's going to be 2 days. We're going to do this. But we're going to do a live stream on New Year's Eve. We're going to count down the last 10 seconds of 2020 in Ojibwe Moan. And Michael will probably sing some songs. I might sing some songs. NANABOOZHOO might sing some songs. But anyway, so yeah. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. B1. Blizzard. You gotta watch out. It's gonna be a blizzard. Get off the road. It's a blizzard. B1. You have been warned. B1. Blizzard. And that was today's Ojibwe word of the day. I was just thinking of that because, it's snowing really hard outside.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Hey, what happened to my hat? It just slid right off my head. I thought it was really cute, too. But, oh well. So anyway, see, that's why we got to practice. We got to remember, don't wear the hat on New Year's Eve. All right, without further ado, Michael Lyons is going to sing some songs for yous. Take it away, Michael.
Hello, everybody. Hi, my name is Michael Lyons, BOOZHOO. Michael Lyons, an indigenous cause. And just recording this because I want to test the equipment and know where to line up the shots. I noticed one thing about these, about myself, filming myself, is I burp a lot. I'm always going, I didn't realize that about myself. It's really obnoxious. Oh. But bring the microphone closer to my mouth. That's probably a good idea. And la la la. Hello, everybody. A little banter while I transition to the guitar. Don't bother to tune it because nobody wants to see that. If I sit back here, I can move the microphone a little closer. And how's that look? But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, and you're my only regret. 'Cause I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Probably won't start the show off on a completely depressing song. Maybe a good song to start with. Could be a discussion about Pink Floyd. When we grew up and went to school, there were certain teachers who would hurt the children any way they could. Not that song. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. And I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. There's so many times I've let you down, so many times I've played around. I'll tell you now, they don't mean a thing. Every place I go, I think of you. Every song I sing for you. When I come back, I'll bring your wedding ring. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Whoa, how I hate to go. Now the time has come to leave you. One more time, let me kiss you. Then hold your leg, and I'll be on my way. Dream about the days to come, about the time when I won't have to leave you alone, about the day I'll say, oh, kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm living on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Whoa, how I hate